Okay, guys, so I got a package from I Am Faye. So I'm super excited to see what it is because, yeah, it's always goodies. Oh, by the way, you see the I Am Faye earrings? You see that? Oh, alright. Anyway, let's get into the box. So I opened it a little bit better than last time. Let's notate that. And we're gonna set it on my lap. And I'm going to go through it with you guys because I like y'all. Are y'all ready? Are you ready? And shout out to Joe Customs for making me this shirt. This was my first shirt that he made for me for Pretty Lemons. And then I just like started doing my own thing, but never forget the people who helped you on the way. So shout out Joe. I still love this shirt. It's comfortable. I'm not gonna cry, y'all. Okay, so I'm going to show you why I'm super excited, and don't ask can you have them, don't ask can you borrow them. The answer is no. Okay, so remember a couple weeks ago, I told y'all that I lost my gold pair, and my favorites are back. So I'm super excited about that, but aren't they so cute? You see why I'm obsessed? I got the black ones in right now, but I gotta keep these close because like, I think these are the only earrings that I'm gonna wear again for the rest of my life. When I was telling Christopher, I was like, I lost my gold earrings, and he was like, what gold earrings? I said, you know, the butterflies, and he was like, didn't you just get them from the store? Just get another pair. And I'm like, no, they didn't come from the store. Like, these are custom made by I Am Faye. Get it correct. He was like, I didn't know she made those. Those is dope. And I was like, duh, cute. Okay, I'm happy. All right. So let's catch y'all up. I got the black pair. I got the gold pair. And now thanks to Amber, black and gold, black and gold. Look at that. Look at that again. How freaking cute. Okay, make sure if y'all haven't already, at least check out her Instagram to check out all the dope work that she does because she's freaking amazing. The package is not complete without stickers. I didn't think she was gonna send stickers this time, but she did. Okay, so the first one says, it doesn't matter how slow you go as long as you don't stop. Do not stop. When I first started my new business, I was like, I'm just gonna give up because people aren't gonna support. The people that you least expect will support you. So do not stop. Just keep going. Like, even if it's not your family, your friends, like, new people will come along to support you. So, like, just keep going, okay? It'll pay off, I promise. The other one says, everything is possible. You got enough nerve. Because you can't be weak.